Vinegar isn't just for salads. For a go-to mold buster, fill a spray bottle with white vinegar. It's perfect for tackling non-porous surfaces. To kick things off, we're going straight for the vinegar. Pour it into your spray bottle. No water needed here. Vinegar is a mold-fighting champion on its own. Let that vinegar work its magic for at least an hour. Mold doesn't stand a chance. Wipe up any residue and voila! No more mold. The next warrior in our arsenal is borax. Measure out a cup. This natural mineral is a mold destroyer. Mix that cup of borax into 1 gallon of water. Stir well to dissolve. This solution means serious business. Time to scrub. This borax solution doesn't just clean, it disinfects, making your home safer and mold-free. Wipe away moldy bits and leave your surface clean and shiny. Thanks so much for joining us today. We've armed you with the know-how to identify, tackle, and prevent mold and mildew in your home. Remember, the key is early detection and regular maintenance. Let's keep our homes mold-free and healthy. Start today, because a little effort goes a long way in protecting your space. If you've picked up some helpful tips, share your thoughts below and join our community. Hit that like button and subscribe for more insights to a naturally clean home. Your support inspires us to create more content.